to see you back here again. I'm Avery Lee from Propnex Eminence Landed Team. Today I'm right here in District 21. I just came out of Beauty World MRT. I'm very excited to show you this brand new 2 freehold semi-detached right at Yuk Tong and Tham Soong Avenue. But before that, let's take a look at the surroundings first. Come, let's go. And right now I've reached the actual location of this brand new semi-detached pair of houses, and they are situated along Tham Soong Avenue and Yuk Tong Avenue. Both of them have 5 bedrooms, private lift, and one of them have a private pool. So there's a slight difference in their floor plan, which I will explain it to you later. And the best part of all, they enjoy a breathtaking view over the Bukit Timah Hill Nature Reserve. Now let's go into the floor plans now. So firstly, I'm going to go through Tham Soong Avenue first. So let's take a look at the first floor. This is actually the slant shape of the house. Okay, you will see that the main entrance is very wide, and for those that have more than 1 car, you'll be glad to know that there is ample parking for 2 cars in the house. Okay, and moving onwards, when we come into the main living room, you can see that the size is a very regular shaped, and it has a very good size sofa, so you can actually sit up to 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 person in the living room. So the distance from the TV to the sofa is actually a very good distance away, and right next to the living room area is actually your dining area, and you can see that the dining area is a very spacious size dining hall, which you can sit up a family of multi-generational, maybe up to 8 people if you put a smaller table, or even 10 to 12 people if you have an extendable table. So there's ample space to move around. For now, it's an enclosed kitchen. So you can see the generous size, the generous shape of it is all very regular and good for all your appliances, you know. But the developer is actually very kind. He's willing to actually tweak it to an alternate layout in case you prefer, you know, for all those domestic goddess out there that you like to do baking, and you know, you'd like to have a dry kitchen with an island table, your morning coffee bar top table, you know, that kind of thing. He's willing to do a dry kitchen L-shaped island table first, and then behind he will be able to actually make a space for your wet cooking. Okay, moving on, next to it is your helper's room. Okay, helper's room does come with an ensuite bathroom and also her own window, so it's a very good size and also a good space for her own personal space lah. And next to it is the bomb shelter. As usual, it can be your storage area. Is the lift. So this lift actually goes up to every level of the house, so for the elderly and the kids, this is a very good feature of the house, definitely. Okay, so below the staircase there is a storeroom for all your barang-barangs, and next to it there is a powder room for your guest. Okay, so now we take the lift upstairs. So we got to the 2nd floor. See that as you come out of the lift, there is okay, imagine you walk out of the lift, right? Then you'll be greeted by this 2nd floor. You'll be looking down into your dining area. This void space is actually a triple volume void space. So what do I mean by that? Some houses, landed houses, you'll be seeing like very high ceiling, and some they have double volume ceiling, and this is triple, so it goes all the way up to the next level, which I will show you later. So it's very, very grand, and when you especially if your guests walk into the house, they will actually feel that wow, this space is so big and huge, the house is so generous in size. From here you can actually hang a very nice chandelier down, you know, a very exquisite art piece or something. In front of this triple volume area, there is a very big car porch roof, which is also an outdoor balcony, so used to separate the entertainment areas away from the sleeping areas. So which means that if you have your friends come over, it won't actually disturb the occupants of the other rooms at the back of the house. So this space is up to you. You can actually put an awning so you can enjoy the space also. Okay, So now let's move on further into the house. We'll go to the one at the back first. It's actually bedroom 1. You can see that the size of the room is very generous, and all of the size of the rooms in the house can fit at least a king size or a queen size, and you can put a vanity table or a study table, a wardrobe, and also have space for you to put a TV if you need in the room. This room comes with an attached bathroom. Okay, similarly for bedroom 2 is also able to fit all the necessary and even more items in the bedroom. Okay, so on this level there are 2 bedrooms, and now we shall move on the next level. Next level we come to is, so when you come out of the lift, you'll be greeted by the triple volume ceiling. On this level there are 2 bedrooms also. So you can see the bedroom 3 is like downstairs. All the sizes are very generous. Okay, and it comes with a bathroom that is Jack and Jill to your bedroom 4. So you can see the bathroom is actually a dry toilet and also the wet toilet. So it's very thoughtful that it's designed this way. So clients will probably use this level for their young children. So it actually creates bonds since young. It's actually quite rare nowadays, since a lot of landed houses, all of them have their own en-suites, and some of them might proclaim that is too many toilets in the house. So let's move on to the next level. The lift opens up to the 3rd level, and this entire level is your master level. So when you turn to the right, when you walk through the double doors, this is actually your huge master room. So you see the master room able to fit a king size bed, and there's still a space for you to put a couch and a sitting lounge area. How fantastic is that? And then moving on is your huge walk-in wardrobe, and of course this is a very good plus point for your mistress of the house. I'm really sure she will love it. So at the side there is a very big master bathroom that comes with a double vanity sink, a dry toilet area, and also a bathtub and a standing shower area. So no worries on the bathtub. Should you not need it, we can work something out. Okay, so and also the master room comes with double balconies, 2 balconies, and this is very good for a master room because balconies come with sliding doors, and therefore this will let in a lot of natural cross ventilation and also natural daylight. Okay, so now let's move on to the next level of the house, which is the attic. So coming out of the lift, you'll be greeted by a very huge, very good sized roof terrace. So this space is actually very good potential. So when we go for viewing, let me explain more to you in details on how can you make use of this area, the roof terrace. So now we have ended the sharing of the floor plans for Tham Soong Avenue, and now let's move on for Yuk Tong Avenue. So for Yuk Tong Avenue, you realize that the land shape is different. However, the entrance is also equally wide, and this will be good for owners like you who has more than 1 car that needs to park inside. So this one can comfortably park 2 cars. So although outside there is ample street parking, but if you need to park 2 cars in your own land, this is able to comfortably. So we can take a look at the side there. There's a proper swimming pool. So this long swimming pool actually goes all the way to the back, and at the back there is a very nice sized pool deck. So for all those pool activities or entertainments or parties that you're going to throw in the future, this is a very good shape and size for you to enjoy. You'll see that actually the pool deck connects into the kitchen and into the rest of the house. Okay, but now let's go in through the main door, which is at the living room area. And when we come in through the huge main door, it's actually a very generous sized living room dining area. So you can see that they're actually connected to each other, the dining and the living room, and all of them are very spacious. Especially you look at the dining area, it's very comfortable size of a 10-seater table, and there are ample space around it. And just want to let you know that you will see that there is a void at upper floor. That outline there, it shows the triple volume ceiling all the way up, which is similar to Tham Soong Avenue. Okay, so when you overlook from the top down, you can interact with people on the first floor, which is in the living room. And of course, I'm sure that you'll put a grand chandelier hanging down from the top. Okay, and just behind it there is an enclosed kitchen, and like I said earlier, this enclosed kitchen connects out into the swimming pool. So for those party night needs that you need to grab some bites or someone is cooking in the kitchen, it's very easily accessible. So now move on. Next to it, there's a bomb shelter. As usual, bomb shelter is like a storeroom, and then the powder room, and then the maid's room is right at the front with her own ensuite bathroom. Okay, and here we go into the lift. As usual, the lifts go up to every level of the house. Okay, and on the second level, okay, when we come out of the lift, we'll be seeing very huge car porch roof, which is also outdoor balcony. So this size, you can do a lot of things out there. You can even have another second party upstairs, and of course you can erect awning over to create some shelter. Okay, and you can put some lounge chair outside to put all the entertainment areas away from rooms, the bedrooms. So to create more privacy for the bedroom occupants, and also away from them. But it's very functional and well thought of. Okay, so and then coming back into the house, you'll be seeing the triple volume void space. So this is second level. When we look down, we'll be looking at the living room area. Remember I told you earlier the outline? Yeah, we'll be looking into that area. So moving back into the house, in first is the bedroom 2. Bedroom 2, you can see the shape and sizes are actually similar to Tham Soong Avenue, the layout. So both of them also comes with attached bathroom. Okay, and also attached balconies, personalized balconies. Okay, now we move on to the next level. The next level, the two bedrooms, like I mentioned earlier, is this level is actually very good for kids. Okay, growing up kids, where they share adjoining bathroom, Jack and Jill bathroom, and so that there's actually create a bond. And you can see the size of the rooms is really very generous, very spacious. Okay, the next level, of course, once again, is the very important room of the house, the master level. So this master room, you can see the layout is slightly different. I would feel that this master room, it looks bigger, and look at the walk-in wardrobe, walk-in closet. It has a full panel of wardrobe, and what the other side can be your full-length mirror, your vanity table. No, it's really very generous, and it actually has an exit out into the balcony. Okay, and if you choose to go by the other side, is actually your master bathroom. Likewise, it has 2 vanity sinks, bathtub, and also a standing shower. Okay, and it also has 2 balconies on this level, so you make sure you have cross ventilation, ample daylight, and natural ventilation. So everything is well thought of. Okay, let's move on to the next level, which is your attic. And as usual, when you take the lift all the way upstairs, if you're going to throw a rooftop party, the lift is very beneficial. And as usual, the entertainment areas are all kept away from the rest of the house. So this is right at the top, and this is open roof terrace. Of course, there are some of you who wants to use this space for something else. This one we can talk during the viewing. I can advise you more on that. I hope that you like the layouts, both of the layouts, and of course I'm very sure one of them will appeal to you more. Right, now let's move on to the rest of the video. And I've just walked down Cheong Chin Nam Road, right along this array of amenities and food. So right opposite me is Bukit Timah Shopping Centre, and just in front of me is Beauty World Plaza. So if you like the convenience and the location of these 2 brand new semi-detached houses, do drop me a call for more perspectives and e-brochure. I'm Avery Lee from Propnex Eminence Landed Team, 88080838, and I hope to hear from you soon. And last but not least, do remember to subscribe to my channel and like my video. See you again. Bye.